My sister's train derailed. She just sent me this. The ring came off my pudding can. I don't know why my friend sends me this shit. You don't like pianos then? Was looking at new apartments but decided against this one. Pretty fishy neighborhood, mafia noises. He really loved that horse. Subs I fell for. This tire, about $350 worth. My boss found this bucket in the ceiling under his leaking shower drain. Whoever built their house put it there instead of fixing the drain. It's been collecting shower solids for the past few decades thanks to the leaking water evaporating between showers. Delicious tender morsels. 2 teenagers burned down my public library last night. I hate kids. Hope he doesn't fall, you mean dung. While the world is looking for a cure, this guy has already found it, and it's only $350. Wait, what tag? You're it. Mouse stuck between brake pad and disc, is it okay? It's a little known fact, seagulls love them some dildos. Smells like fish? It just works. These people can't be serious. SMH. Encountered this painting in the Scottish National Gallery today and felt it has a place in this sub. I thought they were onions at first. Hi guys. This here represents Brazil more than football. Go on. Unusual accident in Thailand. No ramen noodles. Only in Texas, also known as date night. Modified Mosin Nagant to take drum mags. Not sure if this is fitting. Asterisk Pan magazine, sorry.